Don't compromise your vision for my decision.
There is nothing I would put above you, Lighter. Nothing.
Lighter? Don't listen to him, Lighter. He's the master.
What was that?
I don't know, I swear.
Are you trying to get her killed? You may never see my vision, Seg. But I won't let you threaten it. Relax!
Let him go!
You're alive. Of course you are.
Drop the weapon. Let him go!
I have no shot.
Drop the weapon, Drew!
I can't do that, Jaina. If you're going to kill me, you're going to kill the love of your daughter's life.
Jaina, do it! Kill him! Save Lighter! End the war! Do it!
She can't. No, I can.
Guards! Guards! Intruder! He's gone. Oh, shit. Every Sagittarian cat that would have heard that.
We need to move.
Let's go.